This mini sewing machine from the Astro Go shop wasn't working properly. After poking around, it turned out to be the foot switch that wasn't working. So we just have to disassemble the foot switch. Unclip the plastic hinges to reveal the switch. Now it's not a speed controller, it's just a switch on-off switch. So what we have to do is use a fine grit sandpaper. I have an 800 grit sandpaper here. Just very lightly sand one side and very lightly sand the other side of the copper contact. And that's it. You line up the spring, clip in the plastic hinges, then reattach the screw.